Hello my lovelies and welcome to another video. Today I wanted to sit down and share with you all what I bring with me in my Lolita purse when I go out for meetups. Now I usually do go to two different kind of Lolita outings. One instance would be like I'm going out with just a couple girlfriends to a local bistro or cafe, and the other situation is I'm going to a larger event like an entire comm meetup or something fancier where I need a bigger bag for a longer day out. So first I'm going to show you what I put in my Lolita purse when I'm going out for a smaller event with a smaller bag. So here we have purse number one. While Usakumya is quite large herself, the compartment in the back is not quite large. So I do have to be conservative with what I bring with me. Let's open her up and see what's inside. Okay, so most importantly, I do bring my phone with me. Here's my cute case with Cinnamoroll on it. So she can fit a pretty decent sized phone in her. This is the Google Pixel 3a, so I do fit my phone in there. The next item I have in USA is a wallet. This is from the brand Swimmer, and it's just a little card holder basically. There's a little pocket here on the front for your debit or credit cards and a little window in the back for your driver's license, so it's easy to have that displayed. And it's also got a nice little handle on it. Now, if you didn't want to bring a purse with you at all, you could probably also fit this in the pocket of your Lolita dress if it does have one. Reach in here and pull out another item. This actually might surprise you that it can fit in here a little bit snugly, but I do like to bring a hand fan with me, even when I'm going out for smaller outings, just something to get a breeze under my wig if I'm wearing one, or even my petticoat, to be honest. It gets hot here in Texas, don't judge me. But yeah, just a nice little hand fan in case I get sweaty in my Lolita. Gotta stay cool out there. I will reach into the USA and pull out one of the final items. Aha, so this is a little compact mirror. This is from Tokidoki. This is from their Hello Kitty collaboration, but it's just a little flip open mirror. Kind of smudgy. It's got my little sausage fingerprints all over it. But yeah, so I bring a mirror with me. Usually when I wear Lolita, I'll have on fake lashes or lipstick, which leads me to my final item actually. Reach inside USA here. And the final item I bring with me is my lip product that I've got on for the day. So these two go together. I'll use this to adjust my bangs or maybe re-stick on my eyelashes if they come off. But these two do go together very importantly. You know, when you're out to tea, you're eating, you're drinking, your lipstick is going to get messed up eventually. So I definitely recommend bringing this pair to fix your makeup once you're done enjoying your tea. Thank you, USA, for being an excellent example for me today. So that was what I usually bring with me for a smaller Lolita outing. Usually if I'm going to be out for maybe an hour or so, just at a restaurant, that's my go-to Lolita purse. And now I will show you what I'll bring with me to a longer day where I'll be out for a couple of hours, maybe going to a few different places like out for tea and then maybe a museum or a trip to a garden or something. So let me grab my other purse and we'll take a look at what's inside. So this is one of my most used Lolita bags that I bring out with me to bigger events. I think it's so cute and it goes with so much because of the colors and the style, and I love the straw texture on it. But I also love it because it can fit a lot of stuff inside. As you can see, it expands to be quite large and it can hold a menagerie of things. It's like a Mary Poppins bag for Lolita needs. So as you can see on the back, it does have a little pocket, and this is usually where I keep my phone just for ease of access. You know I'm out there taking a bunch of selfies when I go out to meetups, so I usually keep my phone on the outside pocket there, and now I'm going to unzip it and pull out what's inside. So as you can see, I've got quite a few things in my purse, so I'm just going to reach in and grab what's on top. Okay, so the first item is my wallet. This is actually from Baby the Starshine Bright. It's a nice sized little wallet. It's a little bit chunky, not with money. It's probably receipts and weird cards that I have no use for, but this bag can fit a somewhat normal sized wallet. It could possibly also even fit those like longer extended wallets, but it definitely does fit a little guy like this very comfortably. I'm gonna reach in and pull out some Band-Aids. So I like to bring these Band-Aids with me specifically. These are the Band-Aid Hydro Seal Blister Heals, and they've got this like squishy second skin kind of texture to them, and they're for protecting your heels from blisters. I usually put them on in the morning before I put on my Lolita socks or my tights, but I like to bring these with me in case somebody else needs them, or maybe if one of mine falls off somehow. I definitely will not go out for a long day of Lolita antics without these. And if you've never tried them before, you absolutely must. They are a lifesaver walking around in those angelic pretty tea parties. Up next we have... Okay.
No.
So this cute little container here is actually an eyelash case from Daiso, which is a Japanese dollar store that we also have recently gotten here in the States. So it's meant to hold your eyelashes, but I use it to carry my bobby pins. I thought it was just so cute. I had to come up with a more utilitarian reason to use it. So I do bring bobby pins with me. Usually I do wear a wig when I go out and wear Lolita. I'm just wearing my natural hair today, but when I go out, I usually wear a wig, so I will bring these with me in case I need some, or if one of my other Lolita friends needs them. I like to keep them on hand. Alright, what else do we have in here? Okay, so this is for touching up makeup. Look how cute, it's a little bunny. And I stuck this little rhinestone on here. This doesn't come on it, that's just for my added flair. But this is from Tony Moly. This is the Pocket Bunny Sleek Mist. And it's just a little bit of like a refreshing mist spray for your makeup. It doesn't do like a whole lot. It just adds a little bit of moisture back to your makeup. If you're feeling a little dry or you've been outside for a long time and you just want to give your makeup a little bit of a revitalizing boost, I definitely recommend this. It does have a nice kind of like a soft like baby powder smell, so if you don't have any perfume with you and you've been outside sweating, this might also help just freshen you up in general. And it's super cute. Look at him. Look at his little face. Alright, and one of my favorite items to bring with me when I've got my big bag, this is a fan. And it's not a hand fan, it is automatic. There's a cute little button on the front here. There's actually two buttons. One is for the fan. So it does have two settings, a low and a high, and there's also another button on the front that is a light. So if you're taking selfies and you need a bit of extra light, this one has it. I did get this at a local store near me, but I'm sure you could find something like this on Amazon or eBay, somewhere similar. So a hand fan is nice when you don't have a lot of room in your purse, but if you can get your hands on one of these, I definitely recommend it. Oh, wow. I hear a pill bottle. So this is just some Tylenol. Usually wearing a wig will give me a headache or my feet will start to get sore. I usually will take these before I go out just to be prepared, but if I forget, or again, if somebody else needs them, I like to bring just a little bottle of pain relievers with me. And most of these things are just like to be more comfortable in Lolita. Obviously not all these things are necessities, but I mean, if you're gonna be out wearing something as encumbering as Lolita, you're gonna be out trying to have a fun time, you might as well try to make it more comfortable for yourself and just be prepared. So this item is actually quite important to bring with you if you're going out for a long day of Lolita adventuring. This is a external battery to recharge your devices. If you're bringing your phone with you, I'm sure you are, or if you're bringing something fun with you like your Switch or some other item that could possibly need to be recharged, I recommend bringing a portable battery with you. Now this guy is quite large, lengthwise. He is very thin, so I keep him in like the main compartment of this purse, but this is supposed to look easy. but he also does slide into the outer pocket here. And obviously you don't have to get one that looks like this. There are plenty of smaller portable rechargeable batteries on the market, but I definitely have to bring this with me when I go out. Coming down to the end here, this purse has some little pockets in the side here, so I like to keep the smaller items in there. So here we have a cute little comb. Now this can work for, you know, longer hair, wigs and stuff, but I mostly use this to fix my bangs on my natural hair if I'm wearing it out, but usually it's a wig, and nothing is worse than having your wig fringe or side swept bangs looking crazy in selfies, or you see a group picture of yourself and your bangs are all crazy. So I like to keep a little comb with me, and I actually got this on Instagram from a small artist, and her name is Sweet Princess Kawaii Shop, and she actually did my phone case for me as well. Let me turn the little pop socket. So she makes really cute stuff by hand. And when this is going up, Christmas is coming, and I really recommend you try to shop small this Christmas. Try not to give your business to big companies like Amazon, who've just been raking it in during the pandemic. So I really recommend, again, her name is Sweet Princess Kawaii Shop, and you can find her on Instagram, or she has an Etsy as well. Okay, last two items here. And so again, this is my little compact folding mirror, and this would be whatever lip product I wear. Today I'm wearing the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. Love this product, has so many cute colors, and this pink is really nice. Whew. This is coming in handy right now. All these lights are so bright. I'm sweaty. Well, that's gonna be it for this video today, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by and spending some time with me. I hope seeing what I put in my Lolita purse will give you some ideas as what to bring with you on your next outing. Make your time in Lolita a little more comfortable and be a little more at ease, that you'll have what you need when you need it. Again, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you next time. Bye!